Hello dear friend, welcome to Income Smart Way channel. And here today I am going to share with you some value content which mostly the people they are not sharing with you, and they are not telling you as broke or as a new online marketer how to make money online very fast in 2019. A lot of people are talking about this topic and they tell you a lot of ways that you can generate income or passive income. The majority of them, they will not tell you the secrets in this business and the quick way that you can generate money in 2019 or to get very quick results. Mostly they will share with you some ways or methodologies that will take a little time from you. And as we know, when we come to online, mostly we come to see some quick results or to make very quick money. So I decided to share with you some tips that you need mostly to know about if you are going to see some very quickly results. If you go deeply, I think that the most quick way that you can generate money online is paid advertisement. Paid advertisement is the quickest way that you can generate a lot of money online, and absolutely this is the way I think that you can see some quick results. I have been trying for a while, and the quickest way that I have got to do it better was to advertise. I decided to give some money Google or Facebook or other search engines or social medias, and mostly it was the easiest way that I could see some results. And it's all the way that I think it's good for you also. And why I'm saying that, while the new people, they don't have money to pay, and mostly when we are starting, we are broke and we don't have money. The only thing we came to the online platform is to see some results, to make some quick money. As you know, it's true and it's fair, but the problem is, if you are going to change your lifestyle, absolutely you should have at least the minimum investment into your business, because this is not a job you are creating, it is a business that you are going to have a great future with. So it's about business. It's like the offline business which you are allocating a lot of investment before you start it, but in online you only need to allocate some minimum investment, at least $100 or 200 up to 1,000. It's little money. You can collect that money to start your online business. So the best strategy and the quickest way that you can make money online is to pay. If you are not going to pay money online, mostly you will not get it as easy as you think. Mostly the people, they are wasting your time on some free methods, and those free methods that they mostly doesn't work as quick as you want. So if you are going to make money online very quickly, absolutely the best way and the quickest way is to pay advertisement. It's only you advertise the product or the service that you are promoting, only you are giving some money on Google, and it is cheap. It doesn't cost you that much money. You can get a lot of traffic with less money. This, for example, working from home online, it's one of the big markets that you can start with, and it is absolutely some keywords that you can make money with, or you may need to advertise on like this keyword. So as you know, it's one of the highest or expensive keyword that you can advertise on Google. And you see here you see a lot of people, over 8,000 or more than, are searching on this keyword. There is a lot of competition on this keyword. Many people are looking for it. So if we go to the Google keyword planner, let us see how much this keyword cost me if I am going paid advertisement, or if I'm going to collect or to lead some traffic to my website or to my offer. As you see here, this keyword I have searched on here. You see the people who are searching this, over 33,000 people are searching this. This is the monthly search on this keyword. And you see the bid, the CBC on this keyword. You pay 5 cents. You pay 5 cents to get a traffic to your website, to your offer. So it's very cheap. Only you need to pay $20 to get ton of traffic, a lot of traffic to your website, and you will make money as soon as possible. So investing into your business, 5 cents, it doesn't cost you that much, and it's not that big deal. So it is the quickest way that you can make money online. as I have already tested and I am going to share with you. So this is a secret that they are not going to tell you, or they are not to tell you, because they are want you to be stick with them, or to see their content which is nonsense, or which is not touching your serious problems, or solving your issues. So you see, this is 3 cents, and you see all this is high competition, and they pay this money, this amount of money. It is too small, and you need always to think like this. It's very very less money, very very cheap money that you are going to bid on. So a lot of traffic, tons of traffic are here, and you can find this traffic with cheap money. And you see, there is no big marketers on here. If you bid on this keyword, you will make a lot of money easily without paying money. You don't need to pay too much money to make money. If you have some offer which gives you $50 as a commission, you need to make that money. You can lead to offer 200 people to make only one sale will cover you and will make you profit. So you don't need to worry about anything. Please learn how to advertise on Google or on Bing or on Facebook, and pay money to get some money. This is the quickest way that I think it is a way that you need to understand, not to waste your time other methods which doesn't work mostly. If you are going to make quick money as organic, or to rank on Google, on YouTube, absolutely you are mistaken, and you are not seeing the results as quick as possible. So, and that's why they are wasting your time. Mostly they are not going to tell you the truth. They are scared that you will go away and you will not stay. Please show some trust, some confidence, and make some money online very quickly with paying very cheap amount of money. So this is the topic or the tips I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe this channel and hit the bell of notification to see the new updates. Thanks for now.